Hey guys, what is going on? My name is The Fish and I'm a new commentator to this YouTube amazing weird thing, and ignore this, I just need to get rid of those two. This has been my 6th attempt, it's really frustrating me. But hopefully this time it should work. So what you need for this is basically iZip, and that's on the App Store. And I'll show you guys, some people are like, oh my god, how do you download it? No. You want to go to the search bar, type in iZip. And you want to go download the free one, iZip Archiver. This one's just stupid, it's got no friends. Next, you want to go on to, and it'll come up with this, you want to open it, and you can just close it. Some people need it, some people don't. I recommend downloading it just in case if you do need it. Next, you want to go onto Safari, and type in MODDB. Repeat, MODDB. Click enter, it'll come up with this suggestion, and I'll click it. Okay? I'll type in all this stuff. I'd recommend signing up. It only takes a minute. You don't have to verify it, whatever it's called. You just have to put in the email thing and then you're done. I'd recommend it because sometimes it doesn't really work. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. So you want to type in AM and I'll come up with this, the Amnesia that I've sent the game. I'll click it. I'll come up with all this stuff. Read it. It's really interesting. I'm just joking. And you'll go to mods here, okay? Come up with all this stuff, and you'll go to any status and come on released, because you don't want demos, do you? So next, all these stuff, they look really interesting. Do whatever you want. I'm gonna download the Awful Dements because I've seen quite a lot of good reviews, and this stuff, blah blah blah. And you want to go to downloads, and you want to go into the fixed 2.1 or the most updated one, and you want to go into download now. And you want to click it, and sometimes it comes up with Gamefront. For me it did, but sometimes it doesn't normally. So I'm going to click download now, and it'll say 4, 3, 2, 1, and here it is. Wait, there it is. Okay, X out with this, X out with this. Okay, and drag it onto your desktop, and then X out with this, and here it is. Okay, next you want to open up Steam. I've already got it here, and you want to click Amnesia Dark Descent Play. And I'll come up with this, the launch, and I'm going to click Open Custom Stories. And then Awful Dements and drag it into here. This one doesn't work for Mac, so move to trash anyway. Now there you go. X out of this, and if you don't believe me, you want to go to Launch Game. People who do believe me, I love you. No homo. Anyway, awkward. So you want to go on wait. It takes just a little bit. Sexy. Anyway. Select, and you want custom story, and here it is, Awful Dements, and you can click OK and start it. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to say for you guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, it'd be really useful, and big shout out to Shrappy. He's been a really nice person, and he's just been really nice to me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, rate, subscribe if you want to. I'm not gonna force you to subscribe. No, I'm joking. But yeah, it's my first video. Hopefully you guys can support it a lot. And I'm quite a young commentator. I'm 12, but I really don't. You guys probably don't care. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully this was useful to you. And if it doesn't work, just put in the comments below, and I will answer. I promise you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys later. Bye.